we'll guide you through how to find recently watched videos on YouTube. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we are on YouTube, and so you're interested in seeing videos you've recently watched. This is interesting to go and do. Perhaps you went and saw a video and you want to go and watch it again. You found it funny, entertaining, or something else. And so we're going to guide you through step by step on how you can go and find them. And if you want to as well, you can actually go and remove them from your history in case you don't want to be there for whatever reason. So to go and get started with this, you can just come into the YouTube app as we currently are. If you've currently got a video player open, swipe down on it just so you can see the bottom row of options. Go and head to the bottom right and you can go and press U just there. Now at the top here, you're going to go and see history. You can switch between accounts in the top left if needed. Press history just so you can go and see the list and you can then scroll through it. Search for it if you want. If you want to clear them all, press the three dots in the top right and you can go down and press clear all, or you can go over to the right and press the three dots and you can go and press remove from watch history.